Hey guys, welcome to Get It Done with Gabby. Today we are installing our shower door, the final piece of this bathroom renovation puzzle. All right, shower door time. I don't know how much help I'm gonna be with this beast, but we'll see. Okay, so if you guys remember when we first moved into this house, things were pretty gross, especially in the bathrooms. The shower door was one of the roughest things. Now, thank goodness for my parents because they did some serious cleaning work in here, but we always knew we wanted to upgrade our bathroom, and that included the shower door because man was it dirty. The soap scum, the grime in the tracks, it was just gnarly. And so when HOROW reached out to us about their shower doors, we were so excited to do this collaboration with them. Unbeknownst to me, I accidentally picked out the exact same brand of toilet. Apparently HOROW makes beautiful things and well-made things, because the toilet had great ratings. Before I knew we were doing this collaboration with HOROW, I picked out that toilet. It had its first official inaugural run last night. It's an excellent, high-quality machine. If I'm being honest, I'll tell them more. If I'm being honest, it felt weird to use a brand new toilet. I'm not sure I've ever utilized a brand new toilet. It felt wrong. Whoa, incoming, guys. All right. You guys know how I feel about cleaning bathrooms. I didn't even know this technology existed, but these glass shower doors actually repel water, making them super, super easy to keep clean. Not to mention the super sleek modern look of these frameless doors. It goes so, so well with the rest of this bathroom. It's easy to clean coating, makes it so much quicker to keep clean and tidy. That is exactly the kind of simplicity I need in my life when I am chasing toddlers around everywhere.